How are you preparing for the new normal in business that we now find ourselves in? And how prepared are you for the boom that we know will occur as we come out of this economic downturn? Hi, I'm Phil from Action Coach Business Steps. I'm excited to announce that I will be hosting a 2-day business short course that will enable you to review and refresh how you can prepare and boost your business performance as we come out of this economic downturn. I'm also excited to announce that my Action Coach colleague Milton Collins will be joining me in presenting this course. Super excited about our guest speaker, the bucket list guy, Trav Bell. Trav will be sharing his wisdom and experiences on living life to its fullest on the Friday evening. The 3 key things that you will take away from this workshop include: learn how to apply your attention, energy, and focus on working on the right things in your business. Working on the right things will enable you to free up your time so that you can then focus on the things that are important to you. How will you spend your time? More family time? Maybe more fishing or golf? Maybe it's spending time on pursuing additional business interests. The second thing that you will take away is that you will gain some real clarity on the 3 or 4 key goals that you must work towards over the next 12 months. It will be those goals that will take your business from where you are to where you want to be. And finally, this workshop will give you the opportunity to network and learn from other like-minded business owners. You will discover how other businesses and industries are applying different ideas and strategies that you may be able to adapt in your own business. Now, there's never been a better time to invest in developing your own business knowledge and maybe learning the things that you didn't know about business. Please join us in the BusinessRICH workshop. You'll be so glad that you did, and you can thank me later.